In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the extra spacing problem in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself dealing with unexplained gaps and awkward spaces in your documents, you're not alone. This issue can be particularly frustrating, but today, we're breaking it down into simple steps to help you restore your document's neat and tidy appearance. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs website. This is your starting point, so ensure your internet connection is stable. Now sign in using your email address. As you enter your details, remember that accuracy is key, so take your time to type everything correctly. Once you've added your email, click on Next. You'll then need to enter your password. Again, precise data entry is crucial here. If your password is complex, make sure to double check each character. After entering the password, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps menu, positioned near your profile picture. Clicking this icon will reveal a list of Google services you have access to. From here, click on Google Docs to launch it. You'll either be in the main Docs interface or taken directly to a document you were already working on. Whether you're starting a new document or working with an existing one, the process remains the same. If you've already noticed the extra spacing in your document, direct your attention to the affected portion. Highlight the text, just like you would if you were about to copy it or change its format. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of your document. Click on Format. In the drop-down menu that appears, locate Line and Paragraph Spacing. This is where the magic happens. Several options will be presented to you. For standard single spacing, choose 1.0. This setting is often overlooked but can make a huge difference in how your document appears. Now, while you're still in the line and paragraph spacing menu, notice the option for add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph. Ensure both options are unchecked. By doing this, you eliminate any unintended spacing that might have crept in and disrupted your document's layout. And that's it. With these adjustments, your document should be back to a clean and organized state, devoid of unnecessary spaces. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling more confident in managing the formatting of your Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on streamlining your digital workspace.